Hello everyone, this is Nitish Patil. I am having 14 years of experience in giving training and project development both. I have trained 1000 plus students as well as professionals from national and international both in these 14 years of career. I am having expertise in Python programming, SQL programming, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, generative AI, and agentic AI, these all areas. And I'm having cloud experience also on AWS, Azure, and GCP as well. So these all about me. Today I'm going to explain you about one of the most important topic in Python, that is Python data structures, which is list. So I will tell you about list and its working areas and how it behaves, how it works. So let me first share the PPT. Yeah. So what is Python's list? This is a data structures comes under Python, and this is very much important concept in Python. So how can we define the list? So this is a collection of items which stores items and ordered, and it will collect the whatever the items are here. These items can be mutable, means we can change this whenever we want. The key characteristics of list are it is ordered, like it will maintain the sequence of insertion, and then it is mutable, we can change, add, and remove items after creating the list. It is in heterogeneous nature, like it can store different data types at a time, like integers, strings, float, Boolean values, these all. Its syntax follows the square bracket. Within a square bracket, we can store the list. So now I'm going to tell you the hands-on experience. How can we create the list? So first of all, I will comment it out, list creation. And for running the Python programs, we need one IDE, that is Integrated Development Environment, where we are using Jupyter. So in Jupyter, we will run everything over here. And this is very user-friendly IDE, which looks like a web page. And here we can run whatever we are writing the Python programs. So for that purpose, I'm creating one list, which is this one. Yeah. So this is a Python list. So I have commented out here list creation, and here it is L1 equals to. First of all, I am taking the same data type list, which is integer here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And after this, I need to write here the print statement for getting the output. Now you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. these are the items of list and one list has been created here. After creating the list, we can check here what is the length of this list. So it will show us how many items are available here. So here we have total 5 items and it shows length of list L1 is 5. If we want, we can check the type, whatever variable we have created here, like variable is L1 and the items are this. And the which I have told you in syntax, this syntax we need to follow, which is the square bracket. And under this square bracket, we can insert the elements. So for checking whether this variable which we have created as a list, so is this a list or not? So it will show us this is a list. So like this, we can create same data types list. But in list, it has property that we can create a list which have different data types. So for example, we are creating the integer data type and then float data type. After this, we'll take some string and then Boolean value also. So this is the Boolean value. So now you can see here, we have different kind of data types, integer, string, sorry, integer, float, and this is string, and this is Boolean values. So we have 4 kind of data type, and at a time we are able to insert in a single variable which is creating as a list. So print L2. Now this list has been created. If we want, we can check here type L1. So this is also a list. So this has been created, and like this we can create a list. Okay. Now the another topic will be the accessing elements in the list. So first of all, we have created a list and then now we'll access its element. So for that purpose, we need to follow the indexes. So how the data is being stored in list, it will start from 0 and from left to right. And if we will go for negative indexing, then it will follow right to left and it will start from -1. So yeah, here I will just show you the example. Yes. Let's suppose we have a list L equals to 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So how we will index it, how we will order this? First one will be in indexing. it follows the order and it will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 will be here. So always it will start from 0 and whatever the number will be there, it will end from left to right. It will follow like this, starting from 0. And from right to left, it will follow. This is called positive indexing, and this will be negative indexing. So this one will be -1, -2, -3, and so on, like this. So based on this, we'll search the elements here. So if you want to search some element in L2, how it will show us the elements. So L2, if I will give here L2 2, then it will show us the 0, 1, and 2, second element. So second element, like it will be a third element, but as on indexing, it will show us second. Then if we want to search this n, so what index I have to put here? L 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So L4 will be this. L, L2 will be N. So like this, we can search. And if we want negative, if we follow negative indexing, so how it will show us? -1. -1 will be this element. It will start from reverse, and this element will be the -1. Then L2 -2. So which one will be -1, -2? Like this, it will come. Now, the another point is these are the single element searching, or we can say accessing. If we want more than one element, then how we'll search? So this is called slicing in list. This is called slicing list elements. So for that purpose, we need to write here L2 and we'll follow positive indexing for this. So in positive indexing, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. The starting position will be 4. So we will write here 4. And after this, colon. Then this is the fifth element at fifth position. And this is at the sixth position. So always we have to write here one more. Whatever we want to search, N and P, then we have to give one more indexing here, because at the last one, it follows. This will not come. More one less than this, it will come. So it will show us fourth position and fifth position only. So always we have to give the end position will be n plus 1. So if we want to search fourth and fifth element, fourth and fifth position element, then we have to give here the last one will be ending position will be 5 plus 1, 6. So that is, we can say it as n plus 1. So like this, the element will come. And the another example, if we want these three element, then what we have to write here? So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we write here L2 and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I want these three element. I have to give one more indexing here. So 2, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 to 5. Yes, this came. Same like this, we can provide negative indexing also. So for negative indexing, we have to give here N, P, true. If we want N and P, then what I have to write here -1, -2, -3. So -3 colon -1. So this will come like this. So we have to write always here in this way. Like always we have to write left to right, but indexing will assign as a right to left. So we have to write -3 colon -1. Then it will give us the answer for -3 and -2. If we want, we can write -4, -5 like this. So if it will start from -5, then it has to go up to -2. Then it will give us -5, -4, -3 like this. Okay. So using these all, we can uh, access the elements. After this, if we want to add the element, we can adding elements in list. So for this purpose, we have to write here. We have some functions. Let me show you. Yes. Append, insert, and extend. So these methods are there for adding the elements in list. What append will do, it will add the element to the end. Insert will add the element at a specific index. Like if you want to uh, add some element at the position second or third or fourth. So that position we must define here and the element, and then it will add that particular element. What extend will do, extend will join two lists with each other, the whole list. Now, see how can we add? So, if I want to add in L1, L1 dot append, so L1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. If we want L1 dot insert, I want to add at second position 10. So see, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this. At the second position, it has added using insert command. And if we have two lists like L1 and L2, and I want to add these two elements, so I will write here L1 dot extend L2. So it will give us, and if we want, we can store this in L3 and we'll run and we can display. Okay, this will not accept this. We need to just display like this. What it will do, it will add uh, the element in L1 itself. So always we have to write like this. L1 dot extend L2 and print L1, it will add the elements in L1, whatever L2 was there. So for verifying, we can check here. What is the current L1? Current L1 we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. So this one is our L1. And what is the current L2 that we can check? So this is correct current L2. So, okay, I think this one we have run 2 times. Oh, so many items are coming. So I need to run again. Yeah. I need to run this again. Then it will come properly because repetition is there. Yeah. Now you see this will come like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. We want L1 dot insert. L1 will be this. And then L2. We'll check what is L2. This is L2. L1 dot extend and print L1. Now it came properly. So what we have done here, L1, we have one list, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we added some element into this. So this one has added at the last because append has property that it will add the element at last. And then we have insert statement. It will add at specific position. It has added. And then L2. We have called L2. L2 was already there. And then we have added two lists, L1 dot extend L2, and it has added over here. So like this, we can add the elements into the list. And the another method is if we want to remove some item, then we can write L1 dot remove some element like 4. So that will get removed and we can write L1 4 has been removed. 4 was here and it has removed from this. So these all about the list methods, and we have seen here, first of all, we have created the list with same data type and then the heterogeneous data types. After this, we have checked type, then length, and then we have checked accessing the element. So for accessing the element, what we have done here, accessing the elements. Single item, we can search using indexes from positive index as well as negative index. And slicing also we can do. Like if you want more than one item, then like this, we can access the elements. And after this, we have run the methods of list. So first one, for adding the elements, we have used append, insert, and extend. And then we have seen how can we remove the items. So for that purpose, we have used the remove method in the list. So this all about the list fundamentals, and hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you for listening me. Thank you so much.